What's up programmers, welcome back to another video. Yeah, you are a programmer now if you have seen the last video, because last video dedicated to a basic program, but what's next? Now you should do it on your own. I know you may not be aware of any CNC simulator, or maybe you don't know about using them, but don't worry, I'm here for that only. So keeping everything back, in this video we are going to discuss about CNC simulator for your mobile phone, how to install it, what are its basics, and how to operate it. So let's find these answers. So if you wanna install simulator, just go to Google Play Store and search for the CNC Simulator. And of course, I will leave the link in the description for this particular application. So just install it from there, and after opening it, here's the first look. So here are some controls about viewport at the upper left corner, and those don't do any hard task, just to control volume, make axis visible, or show toolpath. So just go through it and adjust it according to your will. Then at the bottom left corner you can guess what is it for. Of course, because it's camera icon. If I just tap it, it changes the viewing angle. So 4 are set by default, and one of them is customizable, which offers us the controls like move, orbit, and zoom in. And that's all in this section. Moving on, here the right section is the most important one. Here the first option is to close this application. The second one is to open or save your project. So if I just tap it, here I can choose whether I want to create a project or open project or save my current project. And it's simple actually. If I go into the open project, then at left side, here are previously saved examples by the developer of this app, and your saved projects will appear in the right section. And I don't want to open any project right now, so I can just click cancel to go to home screen. Then next option is about workpiece, or we can say select stock size. Here you can adjust any shown parameter by just pressing those plus and minus sign besides them. For example, if I want my workpiece diameter at 60 mm, then I just need to press that plus sign in front of workpiece diameter, and that's it. And just ignore this stuff right here, we will not need that for learning programming purpose. So just ignore it. Moving on, third option is tool turret, so just click it. Here you can find all tools listed here. You can use this to scroll down, just tap and hold and then scroll as needed. And when it comes to load a tool, just drag any tool from this list and drop it to your desired tool station. Yeah, this number actually represents the tool number from your tool turret. 8 tools for CNC lathe, so just drag and drop and that's it, you are all set with your tools. Then last but not the least is this, your main screen. And you are gonna do all your programming in this section. And you might have noticed this small icon appeared right here after I pressed this button. So if I press this one too, then voila, it's your keyboard. And you can program anything you want, so I think I don't need to explain anything about this. So just use it and get familiar with this user interface. And yeah, actually here this book-like icon is pretty good to use. Suppose you are a beginner in CNC program, then everybody faces the problem of not memorizing the G codes, and for that, here is the list of G codes. So if I press it, then I can scroll for any of the needed G code with its syntax. So that's handy actually. And you will need to press the same icon to hide this list. So let's try something. If I look for the M code for coolant on, then here is M08. So let's just type M08 and run the program using this play button. Yeah, it actually works. Then press this one to pause program and this one for turning the machine off. So that's all about this app. So that's it. It's all for this video, and we will be back again in a new video. Yeah, because from the last video, if you take a look around the method, or we can say way to get a final program, then that method is
This is insane. Insane.
yeah, it's insane. Because if you go for bigger programs, then there you can't just do it like that. I mean, you can just type everything and erase it to get your program. And I don't know why, but I think you could at least do subscribe and let your friends know about this series. So to be continued.